Hey there everybody, welcome back to Chrisfield Computers. My name is John Dyes. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M6-1035DX testing Windows 10 performance. As you can see up in the top right hand corner, we have the timer going. I've already started the boot process by hitting the power button, and we will see how fast this thing gets into Windows. As you can see, we've got through that initial screen and we're getting into the user. It's going to go ahead and go straight through the user here, as we don't have a password set on this system. It's going to do this for a few seconds, probably take us to about the 21-second mark, and then we should see the desktop. And there's the desktop loading in now, about 21 seconds. A few programs still loading there, and it looks good. All right, so 24.5 seconds. Let's go ahead and load up Edge real quick. I've already clicked on it, and you can see the timer running for that one. This takes a little bit longer, typically, because it's a little more cumbersome than like Google Chrome, but still not too bad. I'm going to maximize that real quick for you guys so we can see the full web page, and you can see it's now loaded at about 11.2 seconds. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit Google Chrome, and we're going to see how fast that loads. I've clicked that now. You can see the timer going for this. This one's what, 3.25 seconds. There's not a lot on the web page to load for this one, so I'm going to go ahead and take you to Chrisfield Computers YouTube in the searches, as you can see me typing here, and pull this up as a web page, and you can see that it loads super fast. Not too much to it, guys. This is a standard spinning hard drive, so this is not a solid state drive, and it still appears to be super fast as far as the way that it is performing. So not too bad at all. It's just a basic out of the box M6-1035. That's going to be it, guys. Going to go ahead and shut this down now, and it's a pretty fast computer. All right, guys, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button. We're almost on the way to 700 subscribers. You could be number 700. Thank you, and see you again.